now we had cabin depressurization. Okay, so cabin depressurization. Yep.
We start.
Clear Romeo Alpha 07857, good afternoon, climbing flight level 160 to point Otnam.
Romeo Alpha 07857, hello Praha, identified. What's the requested level?
Requested level is 210 Alpha 07857.
Roger, ground flight level 210.
Okay, I can hear you. I have communication.
210 Alpha 07857.
Check oxygen on,
Yeah.
turn to on,
Okay.
passenger.
Wait, 1 second. I saw you selected 100%, so I'll turn that off.
Okay,
Yeah, we don't need.
So I go overhead, I make everything on, then I go to altitude 10,000.
Okay.
10,000.
Slowly.
PCL.
Idle.
So I have
So yeah, exactly.
no speed. I gear down.
And wait. Just wait. So wait for the 3 green.
Yeah.
Okay, and select speed. Yeah.
Speed.
Yeah.
2,000. 200. Sorry.
Yeah. That's good.
It's set.
And stand by. Praha net flight 693 Sierra leaving flight level 240 now.
Roger.
And check out our vector. It's quite steep, right?
Yeah.
And what's our rate of descent?
Rate of descent 4,000.
And it's increasing.
5,000.
What's our flight path vector pitch? Attitude.
Flight path attitude 21 degrees.
Exactly. Yeah. That's quite steep.
Yeah. It's.
Yeah.
I think maybe we will.
It's fine. You can leave it. So we have like 7,000 feet per minute.
Normal.
Yeah. In a real emergency, you declare an emergency, and you'd advise them exactly what you're doing and to stand by. So, mayday, mayday, mayday. Net flight 693 Sierra. Emergency descent.
Yeah.
Descending flight level 100. Direct Papa Romeo 532, and stand by.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we can also check to see if there's any traffic in the area.
Yeah.
Oh, we see none.
No.
And it looks like we may or may not enter cloud, so you can maybe open the separator because we're descending really quickly, and open the separator. So always separator and properly together. So now we're getting close to 10, flight level 100. So you can start reducing the speed. Yeah, to below, reduce, yeah. Yeah, below 180. Yeah, and watch, the autopilot will.
Check Air Force 5003, climb flight level 350.
Climbing flight level 350, check Air Force 5003.
Power at idle. Yeah. This is almost like a more normal descent now. 3,500 feet per minute. Now we have 2,000 feet to go. And you can reduce the speed a little bit more. Okay, so now we want to okay, don't do that. Yeah, just stop pressing it. So we want it to alt capture. So just allow it. Yeah. Oh, it wanted to alt capture quite early. Yeah. When the airspeed's below 170, you can select the gear up. Yeah.
Gear up.
Okay. Okay. And when the gear is fully retracted, now we can go normal cruise power. 36.
Altitude.
36 torque. Yeah, great. Yeah, and we're at the top of cloud, and take a look if there's any icing. It's no icing.
Maybe we will
First flight 693 Sierra, do you wish to climb back or maintain level 100 to Praha?
Actually, request please flight level 120 to stay out of the top of cloud. Flight 6930.
Roger, now maintain flight level 100 and contact Ostrava 119 decimal 375 and pass your request.
119 decimal 375 with the request net flight 693 Sierra. Okay, You would leave, technically you would leave the mask on for like 10 minutes or something, because you may be hypoxic. So, exercise complete, you can remove the mask. I have control, and I have communication.
Okay.
Ostrovo, Dimitri, at flight 693 Sierra, flight level 100, and request 120, please.
That's flight 693 Sierra, Ostrava radar, dobrý den, identified, climb flight level 120.
Climb flight level 120, net flight 693 Sierra. Just put it off to the side. You don't have to put it back. It's fine. We're at
Oh,
flight level
already
120.
done.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you have control. Alright, when you're ready. You have control.
I have
I
control.
communicated with Ostrava and they cleared us to flight level 120, so you can start the climb now. So if you remember the modes.
Oscar Lima Foxtrot, run right heading 130, descend 3000 feet.
130, descend 3000.